Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Place the case front up on a soft cloth so you avoid scratches. Use a toothpick or plastic pick to pry at the seam near the hinge. You want controlled leverage, not brute force. You do this because the Rhinoshield shell clips into small tabs. Lifting at the hinge relieves most tension. Once you feel slight separation, slide the pick along the seam to keep the gap open while you prepare the next extraction step. With the seam open, you now work the clips. Insert the pick and lift each clip just enough to disengage it. Do a few millimeters at a time, and then move to the next clip. You alternate sides so pressure stays balanced and the hinge doesn't snap. If a clip resists, heat the shell gently for 20 to 30 seconds with a low hairdryer setting to make the plastic slightly more pliable. This reduces risk of cracking while you continue easing clips free. After most clips are loosened, you slide the back shell off toward the lid, guiding it along the hinge rather than pulling outward. That motion preserves the hinge pins. Once removed, inspect the Airpods case for dust, misaligned pins, or leftover tab fragments and clean with compressed air or a soft brush. If the shell snaps back or is stubborn, reheat briefly and retry. If you still meet high resistance, stop to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.